In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily delete Snapchat filters. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys! So let's get started, and first off, open up Snapchat app, and then you will be able to select any filter from that carousel. You can simply switch between those filters in that way. Just drag it left or right, or just select a filter that you want to use. Then you can look in your camera or point camera at some object to see the effect of that filter, and then if you want to delete some filters from that carousel, all you have to do is just select that filter, so make it active, then hit at that eye icon at the top left corner, and then you will be able to remove that filter by hitting at remove lens. Just tap at remove lens. It will say that this will remove the lens from your carousel. Hit at remove, and what that will do, that will hide that filter from your carousel. That's how it's done. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.